Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Tuesday, September 15th, 4:48 p.m. New York time. U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the futures have about another 12 minutes left before they close. We're going to look at the commodities. Do a top down from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. This one, I'm going to do the monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour. Yeah, let's go look at this now. First, we're going to look at energy, the category of energy. Crude oil, monthly. Trend is down, trend is bearish, lower lows, lower highs. Let's take it down to weekly. Currently for the week, it's an inside candle. It's an acceleration phase. Let's take it down to the daily. Currently the red candle for the day, lower low, lower high. Buyers stepping in here around $85. Let's put it on the 4-hour. Look at here for the past few days. Consolidation, breakdown, consolidation, break up. Here, this last 4-hour candle, the one that was from 1 p.m., 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., huge wick on the bottom. And current one here will be done at 5 p.m. Yep, let's see if that closes inside. So notice this pattern here. Consolidation, breakdown, consolidation. Yep, maybe this may become a buying point. Let's see what happens this evening. Yeah, maybe buying down here and it might see it go up. Or it may come down lower. Again, trade ideas. Next, natural gas. Inside candle for the month. Go to weekly. That huge wick on top. And now it's trading there low, touching a demand zone where buyers were. Take it to the daily. That huge impulse move down. Already took out the low of today, yesterday. And there's not much to show you on the 4-hour. I don't go off. Yeah. Big sell-off. So understand, a lot of these energy products are transported in the United States originally from areas by train. That's another reason why there's huge volatility. Huge volatility. So let's go look at the metals. Same in other countries, train. We'll look at metals, the other categories. Higher time frame, gold. I mentioned here in my past commodities video, we have a pattern forming here. Yep, it's an M. An M. And look at that. This yellow horizontal line. Swing low right there. And we took it out. I told you we'd break that. May have further down. So right now, this is showing bearish, trending down. Yep. Let's take this to the weekly. There we go on the weekly. Wow. So It did break below the inside candle below it, because last week it was inside candle. Broke below it. But we made a higher high during the week. Also broke below this demand zone for buyers. So we took out the swing low here too. Amazing. Where's it going to go? Let's go put this on a daily. Remember, commodities price in dollars strong like bull. Well, here on the daily, we have a swing low. On Zoom so you can see it. Go out a little bit further. Let's go 3 years. There we go. There's a swing low right there, that huge impulse move down. Huge wick, shot back up. And that could happen. That's what we could have happen. So going in now on the daily candle. Yep, broke below this consolidation, broke below here. Have about another 8 minutes to see if it's going to close below here. Key, demand zone, broke it. It's going to determine now where is it going to close. Let's put it on the 4 hour. And look at that. The new 4 hour candle, inside candle. Buyers are stepping in here. So maybe we'll have a retracement. Retracement. Let's go on the next. Silver monthly. Again, trend is down. We'll put this on a weekly. Totally inverse. Look at that. The trend is up on the weekly. Yep. We had a consolidation here. Retracement, demand zone, consolidation, break up to the upside. Very nice. So again, big difference. Silver is trending up where gold was down. Let's put this on a daily now for silver. Yep. Silver on the daily is retracing this big impulse move up. We can put it on a 4 hour. Yeah. Huge impulse moves up. A lot of push high there. Interesting. Platinum. Yep. Green for the current month. Weekly. Oops. Same thing. The trend is up. We'd see it bottom here. Lower low. Rejected it. Turn around. Not surprised. A lot of buyers built there. Nice. Put this on a daily. Massive consolidation here. Bearish pin bar forming there. But it's good. The bullish consolidation. So we might have a retracement midpoint there. Still looking good there. Put this on the intraday 4 hour. Yep, nice there too. Consolidation. The last metal, copper, monthly. It's better than the other ones. Put on a weekly. It's big consolidation here. It's on a daily. So we got a retracement coming in here. So this is a potential buyer again. See what happens if it does not close below here, because that was an impulse move up, broke above this consolidation. Very nice. Let's put this on a 4 hour. Yeah, you can see here all this consolidation. That's why you might have new buyers coming in here. This consolidation when it does that. So that was the other category, metals. Let's go finish this up with agricultural. 3 of the biggest worldwide products that come out of Ukraine: sunflower oil and wheat and oil. I think if I recall, Ukraine is the #1 exporter or grower of sunflower oil. Wars affect commodity prices. We're looking here, corn on the monthly. Current month, look at that, we're in the midpoint. Remember, corn is not just used for humans to consume. Some farmers use it for feed to their animal. Some farmers grow corn for ethanol. It's got multiple uses, big demand. But right now we're testing that midpoint. So I want to see how that plays out. Let's take this down to the weekly. Since it broke above that midpoint on that weekly, higher high, rejecting 700 now. Put this on a daily. Oops, sorry, I don't have that on the daily. And here's a 4-hour. Nice. So you had acceleration here, break up to the upside, another acceleration, break up to the upside, staircase pattern, higher high. Very nice. Yeah, so on this retracement, one could look for opportunities on weakness where to reload. That's corn. Next, wheat, monthly. Look at that turning around too. And a lot of these agricultural products trade thinly. On the weekly, again, same thing, massive acceleration, breaking to the upside. There's a rise in commodity prices. Yep. Some is just, again, based on short-term news from what? From the potential strike on U.S. rail systems. That changed. So here we go, looking at the daily. Nice. Acceleration. Yep. Makes sense. It's selling off today because supposedly that shutdown is not going to occur in the trains. So that was a run up based on news. Let's put it on a 4-hour. Yeah, see if it breaks that. Breaks that. It's a huge impulse move up. See if it breaks it. So now some of these just might be overextended. Soy, monthly, building consolidation here. Weekly, soy. So he finally tested the midpoint. This big impulse move down, midpoint gray horizontal line. We tested it, went above it, rejected it. Again, weekly candles not done yet to the close Friday, but huge consolidation, much more bullish. Why you have all these wicks down here, a lot of demand down here, 1400 level. And if it doesn't close up here, it's going to keep hitting it probably so eventually it breaks up and rolls up to the next level. So one might consider buying on the retracements and then tighten your stop as it hopefully goes back up. Let's put this on a daily. Not surprised. Look at that. Sell off. Rejected it. Rejected. Yeah. Huge impulse move up on the daily there a few days ago. Now you have a retracement. And look at the candles are getting smaller and smaller. So less sellers. Put on the 4-hour. Yeah, look at that. Huge move up. Now it's a retracement. Live cattle. Inside candle. Interesting. On the monthly, still inside candle. Wow. Touching this supply zone sellers. Oops. Put this on a weekly. Live cattle. Building consolidation there. Daily. Massive consolidation. 4-hour. Look at these big green candles. There's still a lot of demand here. Interesting. And feeder cattle, monthly. Tiny little candles up here. Almost doing double wicks. That's suspicious up there. Put this on a weekly. Getting this feeder cattle. Even though we had that sell-off here, it's back inside this consolidation zone. Let's put this on a daily. Wow, 2 days in a row, inside candles. Buyers still stepping in here. Put it on a 4-hour. See how that works out. Lean hog, monthly. Such a small trading range. Wow, down here. Weekly. Well, that's nice. Big bodies, small wicks. Better than this. So may have a couple of handle pattern forming here. Nice. Or horseshoe. Nice. Let's put this on a daily now. There we go. Yeah. So you had a consolidation. Very nice. Consolidation. Impulse move up. Big, huge body, small wick. That was good. Good, good, good. Retracement, breakout in the inside candle, very nice. Put on a 4-hour. Yeah, slowly grinding higher. Interesting. And there you go. You know a lot more than the mainstream media wants to share with you. You know a lot more than the politicians want to share with you. You're more informed than probably 90% of the average Joe around your neighborhood. Good job out of you. Many thanks for watching. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.